The Boston Celtics are on the road to make history on the road. Labo, no? Let me explain. This season, the Celtics have the best record at 30-7, close behind ang OKC with 29-7. Pero dahil tig 4 games ang naiwan sa kanila, only the Celtics can match what the 2016 Warriors have done, a 34-7 road record. May dalawa pang record na kayang sungkitin ng Celtics this season, ang best win margin on the road and best point differential on the road na naset ng 1972 Lakers champions. The Celtics this season, along with the Thunder, are blowing out opponents on the road by 10.3 points. Ang record ng 1972 Lakers is 11.3. Now, they are also 50 points away from matching the 1972 Lakers na point differential na plus 430. May dalawa pa. Boston has looked beatable at home, but come playoffs time, matindi mga gat ang Celtics Road Dogs.